so back with the Civic. We are going to do the clutch fluid today. Given how old the car is, it's going to spray some WD-40 on there. That should help it. Okay, man. That's it, there we go, let that penetrate. So that's the bleed nipple, just down there, for the clutch fluid. Let that soak. What is it?
Guessing. Maybe 9, I think. 9 or a 10 maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
We're going to need another container to catch the old fluid.
I've got that, bought that other container.
Quite violently.
Right, oh, okay.
So I'm going to get that tube again that we use last time for the brakes.
Okay. What, just funneling it straight into the tub then?
Yeah. Wow, it's an 8.
It's an 8?
Yeah.
Right, fun times.
I'm just going to use this instead. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop the soap, big homie. Okay, so I'm going to grab that tube.
Alright, cool. Suppose you didn't jack up the car for this one.
Yeah. If I don't have to, I won't.
Okay.
Sometimes it gets to that level of lazy.
That level of lazy. Brilliant. Cool, just going to pop that on onto the nipple bit. There we go. And if I get underneath and funnel that into the box. Cool, there we go. Put that in a bit more further, that's happy days.
Loosen that off now. Now, if you start pumping, I'm going to top that up as you're pumping.
Yeah, it's a bit dark, so we're going to change that, hence why we're doing it. Better to get all the food. Well, to pump the clutch.
Yeah. Nice and slow, don't like it.
Okay, don't go mental, okay. Oh, it's just gone all the way to the floor, mate. Yeah. Yeah, all the way to the floor, fun times. Okay. Yeah, look how murky it is. Is that going to make the clutch feel lighter or heavier or what?
It probably won't change the feel at all.
Okay. What's happening there?
Not that.
Why is it not coming out?
No idea.
Okay, that's a weird one.
Might just have to let it drain.
What are you going to do now?
Take this union out.
Oh, okay.
Just rounding. Spray on that.
I don't really spot the table. That's a bit weird, man. You got pressing it and foot went all the way to the floor.
Thought it was being stupid, and I just double checked so I can follow the line. And follow it. Goes up to here, into here, around, back through this one.
Yeah.
And follows it all the way around the gearbox to here.
Okay. So why is it not pouring out there?
Pump the pedal a bit, just slow.
Okay. Look, it's all in. It's all into the footwell. Yeah, look. Okay.
Sprayed it all over the radiator.
Alright, fun times.
Alright, you pump it slow now.
Okay. Let's have a quick look where we're at. Oh, at least it's gone down. What? Where did it spray all over there?
It just shot straight out over the radiator fan.
Oh, okay. Now, how fast do you want me to pump it?
Not like crazy fast, but it'll pop the master.
Okay, if you grab that then, dude.
I'm covered in brake fluid.
Oh, okay, fun times. Cool. Let's pump it this then.
go.
Alright, cool.
Spill brake fluid all over the car.
Okay.
So, you see it's getting clear.
Yeah, it's getting clearer, yeah. Oh yeah, night and day difference. There's a mock that was coming out before.
But I can see, because the pipe's clear, I can see all the dirty stuff coming out.
Okay.
And then obviously I'm pouring clean stuff in as it goes through.
Okay.
If you go again, just keep doing it a little bit.
Cool, we swap rolls, dude, I'll start pouring it.
You want to pour in? Yeah, because I say it goes everywhere if you don't want to get it on the wings.
Oh, right, well, that's quite heavy, so. Cool. Okay. Cool. Oh, but didn't I bring any funnels?
Just tell me, because you'll see there's like a little pipe in the bottom of that tube.
Yeah.
Before it gets to the bottom of there,
Yeah.
just tell me to stop so you can top up.
Okay. Just looking at it. Okay.
Because otherwise it'll suck up loads of air and we'll have to really bleed it.
Okay, and get to the thing. I've got to the thing now, innit? I filled it up.
Is it coming through clear out the waste pipe?
Yeah, it's all clear now, dude. By the look of it. Okay. You want to have a look as well?
As long as it looks clear coming out, then it's fine.
If you get
through.
Yeah,
We'll top that off. Back up to the
well, you have a look in it. That's clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to lock that off.
Okay, fine. Top that up. Okay.
Obviously still going to have to bleed it a bit, but it makes it a bit easier if you don't let it get
yeah,
full of air. Okay, so if you get in, or do you want me to get in?
Yeah, now I've done my bit, dude. So I've topped that up.
All you have to do is do like...
We've got the brake cleared. Did drums off.
It's up to you. You can do this end or you can do the pedal end. I'll just tell you how to do it, it's really easy.
What are we doing?
So, all you do is, where the bleed valve is,
yeah,
I pump up so much and then hold it down.
Yeah.
Like hold it down to the floor.
Oh, is that the brake? Like
yeah.
we did with the
and
brake
then
caliper?
You open it, let the fluid come out, and while I'm still holding it down, you then shut it.
Yeah.
And then I'll pump up again, and we just did
we'll pump it, dude, in it. I think I'll just pump the brakes. Purely on the clutch side, yeah. Because we need to get that right. No, another way, another system. Alright, let me know when you're ready, dude. All the way down? Yeah, all the way to the floor. What, pump again? But all the way to the floor, or all the way to the floor? Cool, that's all the way to the floor. Oh, keep pumping.
Okay, how's it feel?
What, bring up? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Happy days. That was a short, quick one. Yeah, so new clutch fluid. That'll make the car probably feel better as well. A little bit, probably minuscule. Not a major thing, but That's happy days. You're telling it's spent its life here in a nice area. You always get these trees in a nice area. Cool. Happy days. Liberal spraying. So what was this one? This is the power steering, isn't it?
Power steering. Power steering always looks nice. It's dark green.
Maybe that's something we've changed. Have you got any of that? Or
I haven't got any of that.
Cool, get some power steering.
That's messy as well.
What do you mean? Where's the bleed off valve for that then?
There isn't.
There isn't? What do you mean? So how do you do it?
You got to take it off from the pipe on the pump and then run it and try and empty the pump the best you can and empty the pipes the best you can and then fill it up and bleed it.
Oh, okay. Okay, fun times. This with that, you know, the extractor pipes.
Yeah. You can use them, but like I say, you've got all these lines here. Well, that's to that one, but then you'll have lines coming from the pump somewhere.
So this one here.
So one will go to the rack, and obviously it will fill in oil in the rack and everything as well. So.
Okay, that's well annoying. I see why people don't want to do it. We'll find a way of doing it.
I mean, as I say, the best thing to do is you take one coming off as low down as possible, but that's usually on the rack, and you run the car so that the pump pumps it out. Okay. And as soon as it's pretty much stopped pumping out, you just turn the car off, put the pipe back on.
Cool. All right. Just we'll have to go to A to Z in it and then get some fluid. Power steering fluid. Right.
Fluid in.
Don't know, dude. Don't sorry, Phil. Notice only use genuine Honda power steering fluid.
They would say that.
Well, obviously, in it. We'll have a look. We'll see what the price is anyway. Not in the door. But yeah, guys, that concludes us doing the clutch pedal bleed for new fluid. So we'll set it up. The clutch feels good. We'll take it for a test drive. It should be fine. That includes everything, like anything. Same sort of things with brake lines when you breathe in the lines. Make sure there's no air in it, and obviously put fresh fluid in until you get a clear one. But that's it, guys. That concludes everything on the clutch pedal. Catch you guys later. Bye.